English 121. Struggles and strategies for students new to college-level reading. College-level academic writing, like we will be reading throughout this course, can sometimes seem difficult for or over the head of newer students. This is mostly due to subject matter. Dealing with complex issues means dealing with complex and specific sets of information. Several factors in particular can make a text difficult to understand. The first of these is difficult vocabulary. Many academic texts contain specific and unusual vocabulary words that are particular to certain fields of interest, be it building codes or biochemistry. Moreover, many fields of study contain vocabulary words that carry contextual meanings that evoke a whole history of conversation and debate that would be inaccessible even through a specialized dictionary. Another challenge is an unfamiliar rhetorical context. Remember that writers write to an audience for a purpose arising from some motivating occasion. Knowing why a writer is constructing an argument and who the argument is written to can help a text make a great deal more sense. Oftentimes you will have to interpret this research for yourself or even do outside research to be sure. Another challenge can be an unfamiliar genre. In your college-level reading, you will encounter a range of genres or types of writing. Each of these makes different demands on you as a reader and requires unique reading or even listening strategies. Another challenge can be a complete lack of background knowledge. Writers may make assumptions about you as a reader and what you already know about a certain set of information. If a writer assumes incorrectly, you can be left feeling confused about the text's real meaning. Expert readers use many different strategies to overcome these challenges. Whenever you encounter any kind of difficult reading material, it's helpful to try a few things to make more sense of what's on the page. First, reconstruct the text's rhetorical context. Ask questions about purpose, audience, and genre, and try to reconstruct the author's original motivation for writing. If you read a text that's included in a larger publication, be sure to make note of what else is surrounding the argument. Also, take notes as you read. Make extensive notes in the margins of the text, particularly regarding questions that come to mind as you read and your immediate reactions to what the writer has said. Also, use a dictionary. Get in the habit of looking up words' meanings if you can't get them from the context of the text, even if you have to stop and go do some research afterwards. It may seem tedious at first, but the amount of additional information you will absorb will make the effort worthwhile. Also consider speeding up and slowing down as needed while you read. Read faster when scanning for specific information and slower when you want to achieve complete comprehension or a detailed analysis of the text. Novice readers typically read everything at the same pace. Finally, read your texts in a multi-draft way. Read the text 2 or 3 times, faster the first time for just the main ideas, and then go back and look deeper into the important points the second time around. Using these strategies will make your reading faster and far more efficient as you encounter college-level texts in English 121.